Hey, good morning, guys. This is part 3 of the DJI FPV goggles video USB out. And it's similar to the one I was showing yesterday. The only difference is that I've got another laptop from far away that will be also displaying the same output that we're currently seeing right now. So right now my quad is turned on but not armed, and I'd like to repeat that the low power mode is actually turned off. That is required. And I've got my cell phone as well connected to the server that I built. All right, so it's gonna overheat, so we'll be quick. So, let me leave the quad there. All right, and here is the stream. So it's seeing it now, right? So that's the one, like what I was showing earlier. Oh, that's the new bike I assembled yesterday. It's a Vitus Sentier 27. And let's see. I'm moving it, okay. And then we transferred it there. So, yep, let me. So, yep. Can see, and so far it's working great. A little laggy on the Samsung Notes, so which is cool. It still works, and there's like a half second or 1 second lag on the laptop, so it's connected via wireless transport protocol 5G, my friends. Alright, I think it's overheating. So you know how Caddx, right? It overheats really quick. That's why I have a fan over here. So there you go. It's back. Cool. Alrighty, that's all I wanted to share. So it works remotely, and there's so many things that we can do. I can even pipe this over to an IPSEC tunnel so that my friends in the Philippines can also watch while I am flying. Haha, that is pretty cool. Alrighty, guys. I love it. Alright, oh, that's the USB. That's the USB connection, and that's the goggle. It's weird, it cannot focus. Oh, there you go. See? Just to show you that I'm not tricking anything. Okay, remember that video, that frame, right? And then, see? Same. Alrighty, guys. That's it for part 3. There's so many things we can do, and it's really cool. Alright, later, guys. Bye.